Alrighty, y'all, tonight I'm gonna make some egg roll in a bowl. So I have deboned my chicken and got the white meat off. That's what I prefer, and I give the dark meat to my puppies, mixing it with their food because they love it. So I'm gonna put it in here, my handy dandy little chicken shredder that I got off the TikTok shop. And let's see how this is gonna work. Just give it a little spin. Look how easy that is. Look at that. My chicken's all shredded. Nice. This is wonderful. Not gonna lie, it's my first time to use it. All right. So I've got my oil heated up in my iron skillet. So to that, I'm adding a bag and a half of coleslaw mix and 2 chopped up green onions. So we're just gonna saute this until that cabbage gets soft, probably 6 minutes. Now do not salt this because there's salt, a lot of salt in that tamari, which is in the sauce. So you're gonna add that when it's all done. So do not salt through the cooking process. Now I'm gonna add the shredded chicken. And now I'm gonna add the sauce. This sauce is tamari, sriracha, sesame oil, fresh grated ginger, and garlic. Give it a good toss so everything gets coated in that sauce. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more sriracha. I like it a little spicy. All right, it's done, y'all. Let's get it plated. Okay, I'm gonna garnish it with some fresh cilantro and some toasted sesame seeds. Y'all, this was a quick, easy, healthy, low-carb meal and delicious. Let's eat, y'all.